Are you afraid of missing out on the next big thing? Let Andrew Agg's story ignite your entrepreneurial spirit. In 2024, 22-year-old Andrew Agg took a bold leap into the world of AI. With nothing but a dream and relentless determination, he founded AI Ventures. His first brainchild? An AI-powered chatbot designed to revolutionize customer service for small businesses. Andrew spent countless nights perfecting his creation, diving deep into machine learning algorithms and natural language processing techniques. And then, boom! The chatbot launched and businesses couldn't get enough. Efficiency skyrocketed, costs plummeted, Andrew's company was printing money. But he didn't stop there. Fueled by success, Andrew expanded into AI-powered marketing automation and data analysis. AI Ventures exploded in growth, becoming a multi-million-dollar powerhouse by year-end. By 2025, Andrew's brainchild was raking in over $10 million in revenue. His story? A beacon of hope and a masterclass in innovation and grit. Andrew showed the world that with AI, the sky's the limit. So, young entrepreneurs, are you ready to take your shot?